Welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon, and today we visit Stella at One Altitude, who roll out a Sunday brunch alternative with Bubbles BBQ, featuring a free flow of lush Perrier-Jouet Champagne, cocktails to die for, and free flow wines, together with your choice of a la carte menu items from 12 to 3 Sundays for $130 plus. It doesn't get much better than this. Stella's dedication to quintessential modern Australian cooking is evident, maintaining texture, purity of flavour and quality of ingredients. Round off the brunch with Stella's tantalising desserts, the pavlova with passion fruit, strawberries, basil, vanilla and lemon verbena. Look at this beautiful view. Available to you every Sunday from 12 to 3 at Stella One Altitude. This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.